everyone, Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to test the pass-through charging test in the MI power bank, which is 30,000 mAh power bank. As you can see, friends, so right now I'm trying to use the MI 30,000 mAh power bank, and this is a question which was asked by a couple of subscribers as well before. And in case if you have any other doubts regarding the MI power bank, so make sure to comment below. As you can see, friends, this is a request which I got just a couple of minutes ago. So I thought of making a video on this particular topic, which is MI power bank. So let's see whether the pass-through charging is supported or not. I'll be able to test this kind of testing meter as well, which I'll try to connect to the charging exactly to the power bank. I'll try to see whether the power bank is actually taking any kind of power or not using this USB type tester. So in this way you'll be getting to know whether the power bank is charging or not. So first let me try to show you quickly. So here's the cable, friends, which I'm trying to connect to the power bank, and right now you should be able to see some kind of indication going on, charging indication in this phone, as you can see. So right now the phone is charging. Exactly, you can see the speed as well, it's going up to 1700 milliamperes, so without any problem, as you can see. So now let's test one thing. I'll try to disconnect it. I'll try to charge the power bank. So here's the cable, red cable, which I'm trying to use to charge it. As you can see, this is the red cable which I'm trying to use, and let's see, the light should be blinking. As you can see, light is blinking right now. So right now the power bank is charging exactly, as you can clearly see that. So now let me try to do one thing. I'll try to use this USB digital meter to see how much the speed is, what is the amperes it's charging right now. As you can see, the speed of the amperes it's charging is about close to, I think, 2.48 amperes, as you can see. Now I'll try to connect this cable. This is a USB cable which I'm going to connect. So right now let's see. As you can see, the phone is charging at this point. As you can see, the phone is charging and power bank is also charging. You can see the speed, it's slightly decreased the milliamperes. So before it was 2.48 milliamperes, now we are getting 1.79 milliamperes. As you can see, the current as well, so slightly 1.78 only milliamperes. You can clearly see that. And the speed on the phone is also slightly decreased, but it's trying to increase little bit, slow by slow. As you can see, it's increasing little by little. But you can see the clear decrease in the total speed. Now what I'll try to disconnect this cable. So yes, there is a pass-through charging is possible, but I'm going to check pass-through charging, will it affect any kind of charging speed of this power bank or not. Let me try to remove this cable. So I did remove the phone cable. As you can see, right now I did remove the phone cable, and I'm checking the speed, what will happen with the speed. So right now it's showing only 0.37 milliamperes. It's not increasing. So right now it's increasing little by little, 0.92 and 93. Let me disconnect and connect again. Let's see what will happen this time, whether it will show 2 point or not. So 2.48, as you can see, friends, 2.49 it's showing clearly. So when you're trying to charge the power bank and charge the phone at the same time, the charging speed, the power bank will definitely decrease. So this is what the conclusion is of this video, as you can see, friends. So all these things you should know before actually doing this kind of pass-through charging. As you can see, the speed is limited right now. It's not increasing anything more than that. So thank you for watching this video, friends. And in case if you have any other queries regarding this MI power bank, so make sure to comment below. So definitely I'll be happy to make a videos on that particular topic. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.